Hi everybody, my name is Jim Johansson, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reserve files on 3DEXPERIENCE platform through SOLIDWORKS. Start by right-clicking on the file that you want to reserve and then select Reserve in the menu that appears. When you have reserved a file, you will get a green key right next to the file indicating that this file is now able to be edited through you in SOLIDWORKS. If you want to unreserve a file, once again right-click on the file that is reserved and then select Unreserve, and you will see that the green key disappears and the file is now read-only.